Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to this detailed tutorial on cleaning the Thermomix TM5 and replacing its blade. Maintaining your Thermomix is crucial for its longevity and performance. Let's dive into the necessary steps. First, gather the tools you will need: a Phillips screwdriver, a soft cloth, and a brush. Make sure you have a replacement blade ready. If you don't have the tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making the process hassle-free. Begin by unplugging your Thermomix to ensure safety while working. Then, remove the bowl by twisting it counterclockwise and lifting it off the base. Once removed, you can easily access the blade. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the blade assembly. There are typically 4 screws holding it in place. Carefully unscrew each one, placing them in a safe location to avoid losing them. If you find the screws are tight, applying a little pressure can help loosen them. With the screws removed, gently lift the blade assembly out of the bowl. Take a moment to inspect the blade for any damage or wear. If you notice any issues, it's time for a replacement. We can provide a quote before repair if you decide to go that route. Now, let's clean the bowl. Use a soft cloth to wipe down the interior, removing any food residue. For those hard-to-reach areas, a brush can be very effective. Make sure to clean around the edges where the blade sits. A clean bowl will ensure that your Thermomix TM5 continues to function optimally. Once the bowl is clean, it's time to install the new blade. Position the new blade assembly carefully into the bowl, ensuring it fits snugly. Replace the screws one by one, tightening them evenly. Be careful not to over-tighten, as this can cause damage. If you're unsure about this process, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to help you through it. After securing the blade, reattach the bowl to the base by aligning it and twisting it clockwise until it locks into place. Make sure there's no wobble, it should sit securely. Now, let's perform a quick test. Plug in the Thermomix and run it for a few seconds without any ingredients. This will help ensure everything is working correctly. If you hear any unusual sounds or notice any issues, don't hesitate to reach out. We offer no calls, no travel service for your convenience. Finally, wipe down the exterior of the Thermomix with a soft cloth. Keeping the outside clean is just as important as the inside. By following these steps, you can ensure your Thermomix TM5 remains in peak condition, ready for your next culinary adventure. Remember, if cleaning and maintenance are not your forte, we are here to help with pickup and delivery services right at your doorstep. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.